What do we have here? What's up, everybody? You knew I wasn't going to stop at the header install. Today we got a Berk front pipe. This is the high flow catted version. I decided to go with the catted version because my current exhaust setup it's loud. I mean, the headers made that much of a difference, and I'm already on the Grady Evo GT4 catback exhaust, which is one of the loudest ones that you can get. I think it is a 2.5 inch diameter pipe. But this will definitely increase airflow through our exhaust. We'll get rid of that big chunky stock front pipe and replace it with this guy. It should be a really simple install, and let's get to it. Now these donut gaskets from factory do last quite a long time, so we will be reusing this donut gasket from the front pipe to the mid pipe. And we will be replacing the gasket up front to the overpipe. Alright guys, we're about to take our first spin after the front pipe install. I'm not gonna lie, it's really loud. I love it. It sounds great, but it is really loud. One thing I want to say that this BRZ diffuser that I have on the back, it's not 100% compatible with the Grady Evo GT catback. It said on the website that it was compatible. It fit, and it fits, but the bottom of the catback rides literally right on top of the diffuser, so it's metal on metal, so I get a lot of rattle back there from that. I'm either gonna have to cut up that diffuser or put something in there to soften up that metal to metal contact so it doesn't rattle. But if you do hear a rattle back there, that's from that catback rattling up against the BRZ diffuser. But let's take our first spin. I'll let you hear. So much more fun to drive. Feeling the car come alive, you know. The exhaust is much more free flowing now, and you can feel it in the throttle response. That was one of the first things that I noticed after the header install, and it's even more so now after this front pipe. Definitely a lot more throttle response. Just gonna go for a short drive here. Get on the highway here, so I'm gonna roll up the window. But you hear it with the windows up. man, that's loud. Alright guys, well I'm pulling back in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. I've got more coming, as you can imagine. We're not stopping here, guys, so take it easy. Peace.